Joe, why are you using that archaic device?
Sometimes the old antiques are the best and most unique.
You know, they make computers and even iPads these days.
I know, but there's something special about doing it old school. I mean, that's what everyone's about these days. Speaking of which, we have a perk for $50. You will get a disposable camera sent to you containing pictures that we decide to take of us in the studio, maybe some trees. But the important aspect is that each camera will have a different set of photos, and you don't know which set you're going to get.
It's unique to your camera.